How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here, back with another quant update for you all. Before we get into the daily time frame and into the TA, I want to bring your attention to some fundamental analysis. There is a post from Quant, or Gilbert himself, over on Twitter. So we'll just navigate over there real quick. Click those links in the description. I'm just going to head over to my link tree, and you can head over to my Twitter. Make sure you're following me here, but also subscribe to the channel. Make sure you've liked, commented. It really does help the algorithm. Even if the comment is just an emoji, it does push these videos out to like-minded people. So we'll head over to my likes, where we go down to here. So here we go, Quant Network, another milestone towards making blockchain simple, trusted, and future-proof. Our platform now allows you to circumvent the need for cryptocurrency during the token development stage. Overledger reduces crypto exposure. Overledger platform users don't have to pay for their token development with chain native currency, but can pay with platform credits. I think this is great, guys. The Overledger platform is pretty much making it simpler for to use blockchain technology. It's going to make it more user friendly. It's going to be a much wider audience starting to use the platform. It's essentially getting rid of the reliance on a specific cryptocurrency, so it's making it more trustworthy. For that reason, essentially, I think the Overledger platform is reducing the potential barriers to entry for people that aren't really familiar with crypto. It's going to essentially make everything more inclusive. It helps promote blockchain technology. It helps the crypto adoption curve. And it's just making it easier for individuals and businesses to participate in token development on the Overledger platform. So that's pretty much it for the fundamental analysis. Let's just move over to Quant right now. So what we can see over here on the daily time frame for Quant, his price has come into that 101, 102 area of support. We can see we were previously holding that 102 line exactly, not exactly 102 on the dot, but that line over there at 102.570, which was also the 236 fib. I did mention previously that it's like a range of 101 to 102. That is support. We can already see that this trend line is lost. So technically speaking, as I mentioned previously, it suggests that price wants to come down and retest this area. Just as I previously shown you with the moving averages, how we've had a failed bullish cross between the purple and the orange one, and then price was above. We eventually come back down to the lows. I already mentioned this in last week's video, because as we can see over here, another time where we broke above, failed bullish cross, and they came back to the low, and another time where we broke above, failed bullish cross, and we're coming back down to key levels of support. So if this is to be lost, this 101 to 102 area over here, then yeah, we're looking at this area of $94 to $100 to be retested, and this is just another time to DCA. We still have that diamond pattern and head and shoulders and a previous support at $83. So if this $94 to $100 region is ever lost, we know that is the area to be targeting. While we are still above 94 and 100, I believe in my mind that this is still support. Every time that it drops into this zone, I'm going to be DCAing, looking for price to head higher and break out of this range that we see ourselves currently stuck under between this 94 to $130 area. We can see every time we come to the support, we almost reach the top. Well, in this case we did. Previously we got rejected here, almost reached it, and then eventually did. You can see price breaking through, failing to hold support to actually head up to the higher band, falling back under, going back down to the range low. We have this resistance in the way, which is the head and shoulders neckline. So that's pretty much what's been standing in the way and not allowing us to head up higher. We can see that price was on this was on a path to retest it over here, but we didn't. But if we scale to the 2-day time frame, we can see that there was a specific reason why the price could not continue higher. Essentially, you could just say the 786 fib, which is like the last layer of defense before the reversal wave is being created, and this is like a final nail in the coffin. But you can invalidate that reversal wave, which sends us up to higher price points up here, if you actually close back underneath the golden pocket. So we saw a breakthrough, reversal wave created, suggesting that price could come up to here eventually, and then we got pushed back underneath, invalidating that case. So that's why we're retracing back down to this low. What I'm going to do for you guys now is measure from this lowest point to this highest point over here, and it's actually telling us that 101 to 103 is the support. So let's see right now if we can reverse from here, because if that area is lost, then you're creating another reversal wave in the opposite direction, looking at these as targets. And yeah, we've got some confluence down there with the $80 targets over here. However, we can invalidate any of that from happening, because at the moment that isn't the case. We're still holding above 101 and 103. So I've measured this pump pushing back down into here, looking for that continuation high. Let me know what you personally think is going to happen with Quant going forward. You know me, I'm just the message. I'm just telling you the potential paths. Personally, I don't care. If we got more time to accumulate, that's great for me. If we don't, that's fine. I've got my Quant already, like, enough, so that if the bull market starts today, I'm more than happy. If it doesn't, I'm more than happy. I literally don't care, guys. All I do in these videos is just tell you the messages that I see in the chart. It's not necessarily what I want or what I believe. I guess, yeah, it is what I believe, because I'm relaying the chart's message. I'm going to always believe what the chart is showing me, then, rather than trying to predict, oh, it's 100% going up or it's 100% going down. I'm just prepared for either scenario. Personally, I don't care, because Quant for me is just another cryptocurrency to have, but it's one of those in my portfolio with high priority. I've just got so many cryptos that I really don't care what happens day to day with any of them, to be honest. Just that I'm always buying for 2 years ahead. When this bull market top comes in 1.5 to 2 years, whenever it is, I'm going to be happy that I was accumulating in these prices. And in fact, it doesn't really matter if I'm buying at 100, 120, 150, 175. It doesn't really matter at 200 or even at $400. As long as we're buying majority of our Quant below $400, then we're all okay. We're all prepared for the bull market. Make sure, if you haven't watched that video on 10 Quant, I know a lot of you do have over 10 Quant. I'd hope most of you do, but I know that some people out there just getting into Quant don't know anything, and I would recommend getting at least 10 Quant. Why? I've already made a video on that. It's going to be linked at the end of this if you want a why, but it's pretty self-explanatory. If it's going to X amount of dollars, wouldn't you want 10 times of that? But yeah, so on and so forth. That's pretty much it from me today. Not much more to say. I will further update you guys. It was just like a more of an update on what was said on Twitter with Quant, as well as, yeah, price not really moving since the last video really either. We're still at the support, looking for bounces from this location to reclaim these moving averages to send us in an uptrend back up to this target up here. If this is not the case and we lose this 102 area, then we're going to come back into this zone where a lot of this is going to validate those targets down to $83. Otherwise, we're going to continue to range between this 9400 to about 112, 120. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, message me on my Twitter if you want more details about my course, mentorship, or chat. Thank you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace. If you're looking to take your crypto knowledge and profits to the next level, I have an exciting opportunity for you. Introducing my exclusive paid Discord group chat where I share insights and strategies that can help you maximize your gains. In this community, I provide you with the tools and guidance you need to succeed. So here's what you can expect when you do join. I share my personal investment levels. So this will help show how I strategically dollar cost average into various cryptocurrencies. You will gain access to the exact strategies I use to build a diversified portfolio, and this will help minimize risk while maximizing gains. I reveal all my investments, keeping you up to date on the latest coins that have caught my attention, so you'll receive exclusive insights on those projects that have promising fundamentals and growth potential. You're not going to find these cryptos on the YouTube itself. I also share my long-term targets, helping you identify trends and set realistic goals for your portfolio. You're going to gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics, which will enable you to make a more informed decision when trading. Chart patterns are crucial for successful trading, and in our group, you'll receive comprehensive analysis on those chart patterns to trade. You'll learn to recognize trends and execute profitable trades with confidence. The best part of the group is that you'll gain access to weekly group mentorship calls. Imagine having direct access to me and other experienced traders who are dedicated to your success. During these live sessions, we'll discuss market updates, answer your questions, and provide personalized guidance tailored to your needs. So if you're ready to speed up your crypto journey and join a community of like-minded individuals passionate about trading and investing, do not miss out on this opportunity, guys. Visit my website now, secure your spot in the community. All the links you need are found in the description down below. Together we'll unlock your true potential for financial freedom.